Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2011 Suzuki Vitara, stock number 6951. It's run from the 12th 2007 to the 7th 2012. It's an F9QB 1.9 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is the F9QB 1.9 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left down headlight. Left front 17-inch factory automatic tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door 1 dent. Left rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre. Left hand taillight. Rear tailgate no dents. Right hand taillight. Right rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre. Right rear door has wobbles. Right front door 2 dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front guard. Right front 17-inch factory automatic tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Manual gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.